But today is the day that I decided to get me another motorcycle. Yo, what is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. We starting this video right now. What's up, Big Taco? Man, crispy gang, how y'all doing? I have been going for a long, all these cars going by right now. I've been going for a long time, and today finally is the vlog that I've been waiting to do for I don't know how long. How long have we been doing this, Taco? Well, about 6 months we've been on Storm right here. Shout out to my wife, MZ Adventures. Check her out. Follow her Instagram, follow her YouTube, all that stuff. Shout out Motor Style. But today is the day that I decided to get me another motorcycle. Now, don't get me wrong. I still got the FZ right there. I still got the FZ. Still looking, you know, great. She still works, all of that good stuff. But I decided, I said, you know what? I need to have a fast bike, and I need to have me a just ordinary chill. Like, it doesn't have to be fast. It doesn't have to be slow. Just something cool. So that's this video right now. So me and Big Taco, MZ Adventures, about to go down there to the dealership and go get this new bike. Go ahead and leave in the comment section what you think I got this whole week. Alright, you guys, so I'm at Rod now. Here I got my boy racing here. He's taking me to the new bike. Little bike reveal at the same time of me actually getting the paperwork done. It's been a week process for me, because it's been hard getting out here. I think they're like 45 minutes away from me, so been doing stuff over the phone and all that, bro. Jeez. Oh, and I gotta buy a helmet. Yeah, because I forgot my helmet, so I brought everything with me, including my motorcycle jacket, shoes, gloves, my glasses, a mask over my face, and I forgot the helmet. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe. Oh, wow. Yo, what's up, gang? What it do? I bet you thought this was gonna be like a normal freaking bike reveal. I had to turn it up a notch. Filth Flores. Y'all ready for this? I'm ready for it. I've been waiting on this for a long time, and trust me. Whoa. Y'all gotta come too. This is crazy. Dang. I thought I took the lens off this camera. Oh, okay.
What do they want from me? Going country. Yeah, they love me up there and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, they be going so crazy. What do they want from me? Going country. Yeah, they love me up there and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, they be going so crazy.
This thing is crazy.
Well, it actually looks pretty clean without all the extra stuff on it.
I'm trying to get the damn kickstand down. What is it? This big girl.
That's what her name is.
Yup. Big girl in the building.
Alright.
Alright. Throw my book back in there somewhere, please.
Where?
Oh,
I already
no.
had to strap your other piece to the back.
What?
Because she was all in the way. I couldn't see out the window.
Oh. Sheesh.
1 and 2.
Heavy.
You got saddles.
I just leave the book back there then. No, it's too heavy for my bag.
You got saddlebags.
Dude. I can't fit this in there. It looked like it though.
Girl, if you don't stop. Did it fit?
I hope it don't pop out.
Just give me the
We'll
stupid
find out.
backpack.
Yeah.
Just put it at the bottom. It's space down there.
Oh, it's too late.
It's space in the floor.
Dude, that's a lot of space though.
Say hello to big girl. Whew.
This up.
Alright.
I'm gonna follow you
Elizabeth.
Go ahead. Follow you to the house.
Okay. As he throw his leg over big girl.
Once I find, hold on.
Look at them cheeks though. I gotta zoom in. Look his cheeks.
Looking like a chipmunk.
He does look like a chipmunk. Elizabeth. And then this one, she is not a happy camper right now.
Comfortable clothes.
She's not a happy camper. She's ready to be out and free. Oh, okay, that's what we're doing. I put the camera on her and she decided to do this. All right, we're out.
Oh my God. What the fuck? That's got a car horn?
It was right on point though. It was like, what the beep?
That's crazy. This bike is crazy as hell.
All right, we're out of here.
All right, gang. So we're at the house. Sorry I couldn't show y'all. Like it's nighttime now. It didn't take a long time to do the deal. It's just we showed up at 4, and here in Vegas it gets dark close. So if y'all ready for this bike reveal, man, listen. I forgot my helmet with the camera on it, right? So I bought a new one. So of course I'm gonna have a helmet review on the new helmet that I just bought. It's cool. I mean, you know, it was just spirit of the moment, so I don't want to. I already got this type of helmet. Anyway, let me show you the new bike. So I know how I'm gonna do this video, and I really didn't want to show it in the garage. So I got something coming up, you know what I mean? And I got it. This camera really doesn't do it justice, but bro, it is crazy. 1859 cc's. Over there is the fairing they gave me. Thank you, my love. That's the front fairing and the speakers. I got a little cut on the fairing, so they didn't feel safe about it, so they took it off. I might put it on later. I'm gonna see how I feel about it. Yoga like it. She like it without the fairing. But you know, without the fairing, it actually looks like a Harley Road King, which is crazy. Yo, coming home, I got so much, man. I got so much to tell you. So much stuff is different. This bike has a heel toe sifter. Never used one of those before, so I gotta give you my thoughts on that. and I split traffic. I split to get to the house. There was like this long line, and the only way to get to the front was I had to go through these cones to get all the way to the front of it, and it did it just fine. It's like I forgot that I had this big giant extra on the side. And with it being like 859 pounds, well no, it's 850 wet, bro, I didn't feel the weight at all. I was actually out there surfing. Like, it felt good. It was faster than I really expected. So that's a new helmet. If you know what that is, then tell me. You know what I mean? Maybe we can set up a sticker thing. Look, oh man, I got a cut on my eye. Sheesh. But yeah, it's here. Shout out to me, man. It's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna have to tell y'all about. Like, I keep saying that, but hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is my first cruiser that I actually own. It's the second time I've ever been on a big bike. The first one was the Indian Chieftain. If you haven't caught that review, that was like in 2019. But this bad boy here, the review on this is about to be sick. All right, as always, people, it's your boy, Mr20west. I'm a cruiser owner. I'm a cruiser rider. I'm a cruiser owner. I don't even know. Oh, and the FZ is still here. FC is still here. Isn't that right, Taco? Whoa, 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 drunk. All right, gang. Peace.